This is the exercise.
C-H-R-I-S.
Cut out these pictures. Okay, bam. It's very easy. Hello and welcome back to the Parents English channel, where I show you how you and your kids can learn English fast by doing simple and very interesting exercises. Today we're going to look at the Christmas vocabulary and learn how to write these new words. Here we've got Santa, here you've got reindeer, here you've got a snowman, and here you've got our lovely Christmas tree. On the next page, you've got a snowflake, you've got stocking, and you've got a lovely Christmas present. Here you've got mittens to keep your hands warm. Okay, let's do it. Let's write. So you can pick any color you would like. So I'll pick red, and let's learn how to write the words in English. So the first one is Santa. S-A-N-T-A. So while you're writing, ask your kids to spell the words, just for extra practice. Here we've got reindeer. So
R-E-I-N-D-E-E-and-R.
Good. All right. So now I'll select another color. I'll select blue. Let's take blue. The snowman is next.
S-N-O-W-M-A-N-N. Good.
And here we've got the Christmas tree.
C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-N-S and T-R-E-E.
Good. Okay. Let's go to the next page. And you do the same thing. Once you've written the words, the Christmas words, you can actually play a game. So you can take scissors and cut out these pictures and separately cut out the words. And play the game I showed you in the previous video. If you haven't watched that, please watch it right here. And of course, you can boost your vocabulary and learn more easily. So the next game is very simple. What you need to do is, again, just learn the vocabulary. For help, you can have learn the vocabulary by matching the words to the pictures. So, and for your help, you can have these by your side at hand to look for a reference. So again, take any color and match the present here with the present word here. Okay, and of course, again, you can ask your kids to spell the word just for extra practice. So P-R-E-S-E-N-T. All right, once you finish this exercise, you can actually go to another one. For this exercise, what you need to do is to pay attention to the patterns. So here we've got mittens, present, mittens, present. What should we have here? Correct, we should have mittens. Where do we get those? Okay, you can either draw or you can cut these pictures out from here. Okay, the same thing you do for the next one. You've got, for example, Santa, you've got a Christmas tree, you've got Santa, you've got a Christmas tree. Okay, what should we have here? Correct, we should have our Santa. So cut and glue. So take the scissors, cut and glue Santa here. So let's do it. So again, take scissors and let's cut out the pictures. So what do we have here? We have mittens. Let's take mittens. They are here. Let's take our glue stick and glue it. Okay, bam. The game is very simple. You just glue it and you find the pattern. It's very easy and simple for your kids, and of course they can boost their Christmas vocabulary and learn it in a pleasant and funny way. And finally, you've got the last exercise here in this handout, where your kids can show their creative skills and draw whatever they would like to get for Christmas. So you ask them to draw a present you would like to get Christmas. And as an extra exercise, you can ask them to describe the picture, describe the presents that they would get, what it is exactly, what characteristics has it got, or why they like this present. So let's do it. Of course, don't forget to write your name. Here is my name. Okay, here is what we've got in the end. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel where you and your kids will learn English in a fun way by doing simple and interesting exercises. And don't forget, all of these I share in the description to this video where you can find those for free. And if you would like to see more videos like that, just click on the next video where I will be showing you how we can make a snowman and learn new English words. Alright, thanks for watching. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.